Hello, my cuties. Look at all of you. Aren't you guys just the cutest? Oh, aren't you just the cutest? Look at you, and look at your little eyes. You're so adorable. You're gonna be my new best friend. Those others, they're old news compared to you. I'll even put you in pride of place.
You're just forever gonna be around here, and I'm never ever going to replace you.
Oh, I think I've just gotten a brilliant idea. You might just be my new favourite.
Look at you. You're definitely my new favourite. You even got hair. This is cool. Yeah, this is definitely a good idea.
Good night, my darling. What happened to you? No, what happened? What are you doing down here? What? I'll fix you in a minute. How did you get here?
I put you up there last night. How are you on the desk again? I mustn't have slept enough last night. Must be going crazy.
Wait. Staples?